How to reset Google password if forgotten on iPhone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Google account password if you've forgotten it, specifically using your iPhone. If you can't remember your password, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's get started. First, open Safari or any web browser on your iPhone. Now go to the Google account recovery page by typing google.com/accounts/recovery. Now you'll be redirected to the recovery page. Simply type in your mail address. Simply click on next. Now you need to enter your password, but if you've forgotten your password, you can simply click on try another way. Now Google will confirm whether the phone that you're using is yours or not. If the phone is confirmed that the phone you're trying to log in from is yours, this helps to show that it's really you and you're trying to sign in. After that, simply click on continue, and you can simply update your password. Now simply click on update password, and you can simply create password, and after that simply click on save, and that's it. That's how you can simply successfully reset your Google password on your iPhone.